Are you working hard, but still broke? The truth is, it's often not about how much you make. It's about the money mistakes you don't even realize you're making. Today, I'll share 5 common money mistakes that are draining your wallet in 2025 and how to fix them fast. Mistake 1. Living on credit cards, high interest, debt keeps you broke. Always pay in full or avoid unnecessary debt. Mistake 2. Ignoring budgeting, not tracking income versus expenses equals money disappears. Use simple budgeting apps or the 50-30-20 rule. Mistake 3. Spending before saving. Most people save what's left over, which is nothing. Pay yourself first. Save 10 to 20% automatically. Mistake 4. No emergency fund. One unexpected bill equals financial disaster. Build 3 to 6 months of expenses in savings. Mistake 5. Delaying investing. Waiting to invest equals losing years of compounding. Start small. Even $10 a week grows over time. Conclusion: if you're guilty of any of these 5 mistakes, don't worry. The good news is you can fix them today. The sooner you stop these habits, the faster you'll build wealth. Comment below which mistake you'll fix first. And don't forget to subscribe to Smart Finance with Yemi Osini for weekly money tips.